Is she? Hey, Charlie. Hop. Hey. Hi. Can you wave? Can you wave? No. It's like I'm having way too much fun. Hey, girl.
All right, George, I want to see it, dude.
All right. Go to the ladder. Well, you're fine. Here, I got you.
That's great.
Good job. Woo! Nice.
Good job, Bunny.
You want me to go?
See you again.
Yeah, I need
You want me to go or you want to go?
I need to go.
Okay, you want to do the slide now?